Now just please clear the air कि दावत का time कब आएगा?
दावत का टाइम तो पता नहीं अब आई थिंक दावत
आएगा
करा ही
आएगा।
देते हैं लोगों को। अली शादी का तो टाइम है नहीं अभी फिलहाल, ना डेटे हैं ना कोविड के
मैं तो
रूल्स
कहता हूँ
अलाउ कर रहे
सबको
हैं,
समझ
खाना
लो
खिला
हो
देते
गई
हैं बस।
है, या मतलब ऐसा कुछ समझ
हमेशा
ही लो
ये
हो गई
आता
है,
है
एवरी ईयर विल डू इट।
कपल स्पार्क्स वेडिंग रूमर्स टाइप ऑफ थिंग, जैसे कि
I know.
हम चिंगारियां जलाते हैं घर में कि चलो आज क्या खुफिया साजिश, हाउ टू टेल पीपल दैट वी आर अबाउट टू गेट मैरिड।
And it's nice to sort of, know that everybody every time is asking, and I feel so bad that we don't have an answer, and I suppose we just probably waiting for the right time to be able to celebrate with everybody. We've also have been a heavy year for for
I
for
know,
for for,
absolutely.
for me. So it's just been like, okay, we'll do it in good time.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Lovely to meet you, my two favorite people, and I always say Bholi and my favorite Guddu. So I mean, Richa and Ali, but I also love your characters as well. You know, this is, I think, our 100th meeting now online. We are living through a reality which we only saw in disaster films. Or now
Yeah.
both of you have lent your voices to a virus 2062. I just feel writers and creators preempt what may happen. So what was that like when you were both, narrating this and thriller?
I think first they sent the script to us. It wasn't. It was called Case 63,
Yeah.
not Virus 2062. Although the original show is centered around this idea of like a global pandemic, a Qayamat ka din, which doesn't creep up on you suddenly, but unfolds a little bit every day. Kind of what's happening now, with
Yeah.
climate change and wars and
Fascism.
politics and fascism and everything. So I feel that was also one very big draw to us as actors, and also the chance to kind of do like a radio play. And we've never really worked together, so that as well.
True. And Ali, what about you? Because I think at last Ali and I spoke about was things that are happening around us. Do you feel like 2062, hopefully things would have changed? Or you feel that this virus is maybe will get back?
Yeah, definitely changed, but I think there was somebody. I think Mantra mentioned it's a thing called PP, which is a generation, between pandemics, and 2062 would just be a newer version, but an interesting world to look forward to. I suppose we won't know that world anymore. The world that we left behind in 2019 and before. And you're right, like this is like a movie playing out right now as we speak. And after this is what I really liked about it was how it talks about the changing economic dimensions also of the world, economic structures and geographical structures and climate change and all these things, and how over the years they affected human life and human condition and behaviors and perspectives. Um, and of course there were different kinds of viruses, and of course they've reached a point at 2062 where it's that one final thing, and they've finally found a way to come back. And so this person comes back, and but of course he ends up here with the psychiatrist, and why he ends up there and how he ends up there, and what's this whole thing about, why are we imagining these two people in sort of an asylum sort of a place, sitting and talking to each other, and why such a coincidence. All these things, they are such a mind bending, I mean it's a journey of sorts. I think just creatively it's very interesting, and I'd rather, sometimes I thought, let's just take it at face value because it's just very interesting to just hear and not go too deep into it, because it does get scary. Yeah.
And why is it, Ali? This is the second time I'm talking to you about a psychodrama, yeah? Last also we spoke about a
Sorry.
psychodrama.
Yeah, but this is more, I think this is more, it makes you churn. Also, something about the podcast is so nice, right? It's something that reminds me of books, when we could just read something and imagine and use our own heads to imagine these worlds and these beautiful or not so beautiful places and eras. I mean, I can speak for Richa as well. You know, both of us had our own versions in our own heads, just sitting there in that studio with those really cool mics and everything so clearly and heard in them. Yeah, it
So,
was.
but to both of you, you come from theater backgrounds as well, where you're performing, where there's a lot of action, and even in theater, it's your voice. But this, as she said, is a radio play where you are communicating only with your voice and enacting. Was that challenging for both of you?
No, I actually loved it. I thought it was very liberating to not, have to dress up, or the only thing you had to take care of was your voice on that day, not have it too tired. Uh, no makeup, no paraphernalia, just the two of us going into a studio, no managers, nobody, just going and performing in front of a
Yeah,
mic. That was really really interesting. And I mean, I'd do it again in a heartbeat, because I've always loved audio plays, radio plays. I think there is a huge market for that also in India, which Spotify is now trying to explore. If you see, I mean, I could be wrong, but um, what's that? You also did an interview with him. Nilesh Mishra does that,
Yeah, he does.
uh,
uh,
Kahaniyon Ka Idiot Box or whatever. I remember how popular those things got. And that was just
mm,
him narrating stories, saying, मैं यहाँ गया था, वो हुआ, फिर उसने ये कहा, फिर ये हुआ, and how hooked onto it people used to get. But here is like characters enacting, uh, like through their voices, this whole weird thing that is unfolding, kind of like Inception. So it was great fun, actually.
yeah,
Fantastic.
And
yeah.
you
Liberating is the word.
yeah, Ali,
Mm,
because back in the day also, you heard the radio. पहले जब
yeah, yeah,
टीवी सबके घरों में नहीं था, हमारे पास रेडियो था, and everybody would huddle
yeah,
around just hearing those voices.
yeah.
It has its own intimacy and its own charm as well.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think, and of course, it's a little more refined because there's also. I mean, I must give credit to the sound engineering.
Yeah.
It's amazing what they can do and how they can create certain visuals just using. Of course, there are long takes and sound and scenes where we've gone on talking without any sound at the back, but then there's little sound aid that comes in and sort of surrounds your auditory system. It literally transports you. So yes, I mean, yeah, it comes from a time when we were exposed to all that. I've personally done a radio play, a BBC radio play. I remember it was a Shakespeare drama we did. um Shot it somewhere in Panchgani or somewhere, with and then I realized why we went there, because they were recording the footsteps, they were recording sounds and wind and everything. It was literally creating of course now they have it on, they have all stockpiles and everything of different uh, um, sounds of the ambience and everything, but just pure dialogue and pure voice, and to be able to
Yeah.
create with that is yeah, and to
It's
hear
really a
Richa, I mean,
pleasure.
yeah, like I it was so cool because I could hear Richa so clear, like it's so intimate. It's like somebody sitting on your couch and just whispering this entire story in your ear, and of course it was Richa, and I got to listen to, and it was really cool. Maybe I got to know you a little better. I don't
Wow,
know. Peep
nice. I
into your
like that.
soul.
We'll find out.
We'll find
I
out.
like that. And you both know, na, what is the top headline? Sofa and Soul Mates. I mean, ये
Oof.
headline आप लोगों की.
Arre, arre,
But
arre.
you both have
Hmm.
launched a company also which says Pushing Button Studio. वैसे दोनों में what is it about the other that really pushes your buttons?
Oh,
I think it's
about the
about
other.
I think it's the buttons that we intend to push together, make transgressive content and make really like cutting edge things, and kind of like the first thing that we're working on, which we are not acting and just producing. So
Yeah,
Right.
I
So
think, yeah,
this Pushing
there's,
Buttons,
it's
कुछ
it's
कहने
very
वाला था ये.
it's very interesting how both of us came up with the name at the same time. It's like we completed the name.
Wow.
and I thought that was amazing. And buttons, because I don't know, there's all kinds of buttons in the world, and buttons, what do they do? They um, they join fabric together, and so many more things. But I mean, you could get into the subtext of it, and there's an entire universe to it. We could give you all the jargon, but ideally, it is the idea was to be able to create a medium where we could have artists come through us and carry on to their journeys. But in the process, we churn and we make some good stuff, and satiate.
It's amazing. Also, both of you have been doing varied content, be it web series, be
Yeah.
it films, be it short films, and now you've done a podcast. Do as creators, you see this pandemic has also impacted the way we consume? It has, the way we consume content, but
Yeah.
also kind of narratives. And will we see more of podcasting happening? Because it's much more easier.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Richa, what do you think? Of course it has. It's affected all the viewing.
Also, the
Sorry about the previous lapse in audio that like suddenly people in the house decided to have a long conversation. That's why I keep going on mute. Uh, I think I think the ones who have I meet a lot of people who are like, oh, I want to get back to reading, but I don't have the time for it. And women with kids are like, oh, maybe I can just start with an audiobook first. And so I think people are getting more and more into listening. Also, it's an intensely personal experience. No one knows what you're doing, what you're hearing. You don't even see headphones mostly. Ali, I'm wearing yours, by the way. Um, and I think that in formats such as this now with like it's a very very interesting space to explore. I see more of this happening, much more, because also if I go to make a film on the podcast that we've done, we'll need huge budgets like Inception type of script hai to vaisa budget. But here we are just sitting in a studio playing with our voices, coming close, going far from the mic, and all the other lovely foley sounds. So yeah, I think I think there's going to be huge numbers for podcasts in India soon. There's also
Yeah.
massive population now
yeah.
with phones and headphones and wanting to listen to things in Hindi, in English, and so many languages. I mean, the sky's the
Uh,
limit.
Maybe Ali की शायरी की podcast भी हो सकती है यार. रोज
oh
सीखो.
God. No.
I know.
What shairi are you doing? What
Please,
are you
कुछ
doing?
शायरी नहीं है.
I'll translate in English and then I'll get back. Something he
Oh
said.
God. When? Today?
नहीं, कल परसों. So, I mean, like they can be.
अच्छा, वो मेरा एक ख्वाब था कोई, मैं उसको लिखा हुआ था मैंने ऐसे. It's just maybe one day I'll explain. I can have another podcast talking about that.
Waiting for that, but which is like, how do you? I mean, you lead such busy lives. You create content. How do you like zone off? And which is that moment when you actually tune off from the world? What is it that you enjoy doing particularly? Is it a podcast? Is it a film? Is it reading? Or is it just quietening everything around you?
I don't know,
Some
for
of
a long part of tum bolo, tum bolo.
bolo, long part of.
I mean, say for a majority of the pandemic last year and this year in the lockdown, I kind of forgot I'm an actor because I didn't have to dress up or do anything where I needed to see other human beings. I was really like living the household life, starting like lots of gardening, hobbies. Like I tried to learn a new like stick martial art form and a new dance form, and just I think it's important to have like a host of other interests other than just acting. That's very crucial. Everything helps you grow as an artist, not just watching films. Though we do that, and so it's somewhat passive also in many cases. Like you just in the night watch something to unwind. But I think both of
Yeah.
us have this great uh, ability to completely zone out, not not be available to the world. Keep writing, keep reading, keep doing things. So yeah.
Yeah.
Ali
Yeah.
was cooking.
Yeah, well, among other things, I was I'm most at peace when I'm also filming sometimes, I think because that's the one time I'm justified to be there, and so nobody in the world needs to disturb me because I'm officially filming. Otherwise, actually, when we're not is when we're most busy because 10,000 things are happening. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, there's hobbies and stuff, sports. I keep playing. I started horse riding. That
Wow.
was something. हाँ
Yeah.
मतलब घोड़े से गिर भी गया मैं पटक दिया मेरे को एक दफा वो भी हुआ सब हुआ ऐसा मजा आया. Yeah.
Thank you so much. जब आपने रिचा पोस्ट लगाई थी वो सोफे वाला and both of you dressed in Indian attire, a lot of your fans actually wrote saying, "Oh, I think good news हो गया है, दावत का time है." So it
Oh
confused
God.
a whole lot of people, and today it's the headline everywhere. Now just please clear the air कि दावत का time कब आएगा?
दावत का टाइम तो पता नहीं अब आई थिंक दावत
आएगा
करा
आएगा
ही देते हैं लोगों को. अली शादी का तो टाइम है नहीं अभी फिलहाल, ना डेटे हैं ना कोविड के
मैं तो
रूल्स
कहता हूँ
अलाउ कर रहे
सबको
हैं.
समझ
खाना
लो
खिला
हो
देते
गई
हैं
है
बस.
या मतलब ऐसा कुछ समझ
हमेशा
ही लो
ये
हो गई
आता
है
है
एवरी ईयर विल डू इट.
कपल स्पार्क्स वेडिंग रूमर्स टाइप ऑफ थिंग, जैसे कि
I know.
हम चिंगारियां जलाते हैं घर में कि चलो आज क्या खुफिया साजिश. हाउ टू टेल पीपल दैट वी आर अबाउट टू गेट मैरिड, देन इट्स काइंड ऑफ, it's funny. I almost never expected anyone to have any interest in our personal lives, because I also thought that I know this by default in our professions, but even in the kind of people we are, we stay on the fringes of the industry also.
True.
For that reason, I was like, why so
No,
much?
but it's also overwhelming. I mean, I think people are. I mean, it's nice to sort of know that everybody every time is asking, and I feel so bad that we don't have an answer, and I suppose we just probably waiting for the right time to be able to celebrate with everybody. It's also have been a heavy year for for
I
for
know.
for for,
Absolutely.
for me. So it's just been like, okay, we'll do it in good time. So
Yeah, I think it will.
Yes,
yeah,
wishing you both a lot of good times. Hoping to see
thank
a
you,
lot more content from both of you. Thank you so
thank you.
much. And जरा Google करना रिचा आपकी पोस्ट ने क्या headlines spark कर दिए हैं. So on that note, please say this. So many
I
so
thought
Already done.
it was really funny because that sofa was that leathery sofa. If you move on it, it makes a sound. So
जरूर करो Google. But lovely meeting you both. All the very best. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in person soon.
Likewise, always.
thanks,
Pooja.
Pooja.
Take
Always,
care.
always a
Bye.
pleasure. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.